Welcome to the dawn of a new era. The rise of the agentic AI workforce is no longer science fiction. It is our emerging reality. Today, we're exploring what this shift means, not just for technology, but for us, the humans defining the hybrid future. Unlike passive tools of the past, agentic AI possesses autonomy. These systems can plan, execute, and manage complex operations without constant hand-holding. From supply chain logistics to automated code deployment, they handle the heavy lifting of operational complexity with unprecedented speed. But does this autonomy make human roles obsolete? Far from it. In fact, human ingenuity is becoming more indispensable than ever. We are transitioning from operators to strategic architects. Our role is to define the why and the what, while AI figures out the how. Think of it as conducting an orchestra. The AI agents play the instruments, but humans write the symphony and conduct the performance. Beyond strategy, we are the ethical overseers. As systems become more powerful, the need for human judgment and moral grounding increases. We must design the guardrails, ensuring these autonomous agents operate within the boundaries of our values, laws, and safety standards. When edge cases arise, situations the data didn't predict, it is human intuition and adaptability that bridges the gap. Creativity, empathy, and nuance remains distinctly human traits. AI can optimize, but it cannot innovate with purpose or care without our direction. Imagine a healthcare setting where AI manages patient data and diagnostics, freeing up doctors to focus entirely on patient care and complex treatment decisions. Or in creative industries, where AI handles the rendering and production, allowing artists to iterate on pure concepts instantly. This is the definition of the hybrid future. It's not human versus AI. It is human plus AI. This partnership allows us to scale our capabilities beyond biological limits, tackling global challenges like climate change and disease with new tools. To thrive in this future, we must embrace the architect's mindset. We must become comfortable with delegation to machines while sharpening our high-level thinking. Upskilling is key. Learning how to prompt, how to audit, and how to integrate these agents into our workflows is the new literacy. Organizations must invest in their people, preparing them not just to use tools, but to lead them. With great power comes great responsibility. As architects, we own the outcomes. The accountability remains with us. The agentic AI workforce is here to serve our vision. It is a canvas waiting for our instructions. By embracing our roles as architects and overseers, we ensure that this intelligence amplifies the best of what it means to be human. The future isn't just happening to us. We are building it together. Let's build it wisely. Thank you for watching.